Alright guys, welcome back. I'm back, you know what I'm saying? It's been a while, I know, okay, I know. But yeah, I don't know. Like today I was just lying down looking at, you know, those YouTube shorts, like the YouTube version of TikTok or whatever. I was like, I can't do this. I just I need to do something, and let me record a video. And you know what? I decided to make a beat before I did this, just to make sure I can still know how to make beats, and best believe I still got it. But yeah, I was like, let me just make a video. Made a video, or I'm recording a video right now. Yeah, I wanted to get back into the game, you know? I've been missing YouTube on the low, man. So I'm just gonna make a beat. I'll figure out the title and thumbnail later. This will probably be clickbait anyway. So, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, all that stuff. Also, I got a new Instagram. All right, I'm gonna put it like right here or something like that. Make sure you follow my new Instagram. Trying to get to 1K followers. But yeah, you know, let's just start this thing, man. Let's start this thing. Let's see if I can actually make a good beat on camera as opposed to off camera. All right, let's start off with the melody. I always start off with melodies. Y'all know how we go. I kind of like this. I actually really like this. Oh, wait. Wait. Bro. Can we not do that though? Okay, I think I got some. I think I got something. When in doubt, just use the spins, man. That's it. When in doubt, use the spin. All right, hang on. I think we're getting somewhere. I'm gonna store the 808s a little bit. I'm gonna try that out. That's it. You know what? I think we can stop it there, man. That was pretty good. I think that was pretty good. Was not going for that kind of beat, but yeah, you know what? I guess we made a Southside beat. All right, that was good. Did like it? Let me know in the comments what I should do better. If you liked it or not, all that stuff. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and make sure you follow my Instagram and also join the Discord. I'm trying to revive the Discord. Don't worry, guys. Discord's been really dry and a lot of spammers, so I'm gonna try and get rid of that. But don't forget, join Discord. Follow me on Instagram. Links all in the description. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all next time. Peace.